Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you about metals and non-metals. What are metals?
A metal is a material that, when freshly prepared, polished, or fractured, shows a lustrous appearance and conducts electricity and heat relatively well. Metals are typically malleable. They can be hammered into thin sheets or ductile. They can be drawn into wires. A metal may be a chemical element such as iron, an alloy such as stainless steel, or a molecular compound such as polymeric sulfur nitride.
So friends, do you know what are the properties of metal? Have you ever seen a blacksmith beating an iron piece for an article made up of iron like a spade, a shovel, an axe? Do you find a change in the shape of these articles on beating? Would you accept a similar change if we try to beat a piece of coal? Let us find out. Activity 4.1 Class 8.
Take a small iron nail, a cold piece, a piece of thick aluminium wire, and a pencil lead. Beat the iron nail with a hammer, figure 4.1. But take care that you don't hurt yourself in the process. Try to hit hard the aluminium wire also. Then repeat the same kind of treatment on the cold piece and pencil lead. What did you observe in this activity? You saw that the shape of iron and the aluminium wire changed on beating. If they were beaten harder, these would be changed into sheets. You might be familiar with silver foil used for decorating sweets. You must also be familiar with aluminium foil used for wrapping food. What is malleability? The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability.
Can you hold a hot metallic pan which is without a plastic or a wooden handle and not get hurt? If the answer is no, then why?
No, it is difficult to hold a hot metallic pan without a plastic or wooden handle. This is because it will result into burning of fingers or hand due to high heat. If the metallic pan has a wooden handle, it will help to hold it. Wood is made of non-metal, which is a poor conductor of heat.
Class 8 Activity 4.2 Recall how to make an electric circuit to test whether electricity can pass through an object or not. Figure 4.2 you might have performed.
You observe that iron rod, nail and copper wire are good conductors while rolled sulfur piece and coal piece are poor conductors.
What are ductility?
The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. Since metals produce ringing sound, they are said to be sonorous. After performing the above activities, we can say that some materials are hard, lustrous, malleable, ductile, sonorous, good conductors of heat and electricity. The examples of metals are iron, copper, aluminium, calcium, magnesium, etc. Topic nonmetals. What are nonmetals? A nonmetal is a chemical element that is mechanically weak. It is most stable form, brittle if solid, and usually gains or shares electrons in chemical reaction. There is no universal agreement on which elements are nonmetals. The numbers generally range from 14 to 23 depending on certification or criteria of interest.